Andrew Young, innovating biotech staffing with expertise and integrity. Andrew Young didn't start his career in biotech. In fact, his original plan was to become an attorney. After studying pre-law at Boston College, he realized something important. He was drawn to opportunities that allowed him to build, adapt, and solve complex problems. That realization set him on an entirely different career path, one that would eventually position him as a leader in biotechnology staffing. I've always been fascinated by how industries evolve and how the right people can drive that change. Young says, "Once I saw the staffing challenges in biotech, I knew that's where I could make a difference." Young's entry into staffing started in the technology sector, but he soon recognized that biotechnology companies had unique and unmet needs. Unlike traditional industries, biotech requires highly specialized professionals, scientists, researchers, regulatory experts, and clinical trial specialists. Finding and placing the right talent isn't just about resumes. It's about understanding the science, the stakes, and the regulatory landscape. He co-founded BioBridges, LLC, which quickly became known for providing highly skilled biotech professionals on a project basis. The company's success proved there was a better way to approach staffing in this industry. After BioBridges was acquired, Young continued refining his staffing model with Novus Life before launching his most ambitious venture yet, Conjugate Group, in 2017. At Conjugate Group, Young and his team introduced a fractional staffing model, allowing biotech companies to access specialized expertise on a flexible basis. This model has been a game changer for smaller and mid-sized firms that don't always need full-time employees, but still require high-level expertise at critical stages of drug development. Our approach is simple, Young explains. We don't just place people. We provide solutions. Companies come to us with complex challenges, and we help them build the right teams to get the job done. Young is also a firm believer in the power of technology to improve hiring. At Conjugate Group, he's leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, and predictive analytics to streamline the recruitment process. AI helps match candidates to roles more precisely by analyzing skill sets, project experience, and even past hiring trends. Traditional hiring methods can overlook great candidates. Young says, AI helps us go deeper, finding the best matches based on actual needs rather than just keywords on a resume. One of Young's biggest takeaways from his career is the importance of resilience, both for individuals and organizations. Biotech is an industry where setbacks are common, whether in clinical trials, regulatory hurdles, or funding challenges. Building resilient teams is critical to long-term success. In biotech, you have to expect challenges. Young says, "The key is building teams that can adapt and keep moving forward." That means hiring not just for skill, but for mindset. He encourages biotech leaders to foster a mission-driven culture where teams understand the impact of their work beyond just the business side. When people see the bigger picture, how their work contributes to improving lives, they're more engaged, more adaptable, and more committed to finding solutions. Beyond staffing, Young is also focused on sustainability in biotech operations. He's an advocate for eco-friendly lab practices, such as reducing energy consumption, minimizing waste, and sourcing greener alternatives for chemicals and lab materials. Biotech exists to improve lives, but we have to be mindful of our environmental impact as well, he says. Sustainability isn't just good ethics. It's good business. As biotech continues to evolve, Young sees even more changes on the horizon. remote work, and decentralized clinical trials are reshaping the industry, and he believes staffing models need to keep pace. COVID-19 accelerated a shift that was already happening. He says, more biotech companies are embracing remote teams, virtual trials, and AI-driven research. The way we think about staffing has to evolve with that. For Young, success isn't just about building a business. It's about making a lasting impact on an industry that is constantly pushing the boundaries of science and medicine, whether through innovative staffing models, AI integration, or sustainability initiatives. His goal remains the same: to help biotech companies thrive by putting the right people in the right places. I love this industry because it's always changing, Young says, and with the right team in place, the possibilities are endless.